What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income. And today, I got a fire one for you. I got a fire one for you. But before we dive into this new platform I'm about to bring to you, I gotta hit you with the disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you or how to spend your money. You do with it as you please. Anything that you get into crypto, you already know the risk. Make sure you have risk capital, funds you can afford to lose, blah, blah, blah. You know the game. So, being that said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Definitely hit that notification bell. And, so that way you can get all the updates on all these fire videos I'm gonna be bringing to you because we catching fire right now. And then definitely smash that like button if you like the content that I'm gonna be giving to you. And you can comment below the video if you have any questions or just join the Telegram group. And that way you can get in touch with me if you need to get into more details on how these platforms work. Okay, but let's talk about Grand Gio. And I don't know if I'm saying the name right, but at this point, who cares? But this thing right here, guys. Oh man, I seen the big OG talking about it today. Big Oracle. I seen him talking about the platform today, man. And and the only reason why I jump into these types of platforms and dApps is because I've made a lot of money. I've made thousands of dollars with these dApps, guys. This is a dApp. It is a smart contract. So you guys know that with the smart contracts, you cannot close them. You cannot run off with the money. You cannot do anything of that nature. You have access to the smart contract. You can get in. You can pull your money. If this website was to go down today, you can go right to the smart contract and you'll be able to pull your funds out because this cannot be stopped or turned off. Okay. So before I get into how this thing pays out, because I know that's what everybody's waiting to see and waiting to hear, I just want to let you know that you got to get a MetaMask wallet, put some ETH in there, and go ahead and drop it into this platform if that's what you decide to do. Now, we all know that this is crypto. We all know the platforms. We all know that these are games, it's gambling. But at the same time, we have a lot of fun with these platforms, man. I love getting up in the morning and coming here and checking my balances and withdrawing money and moving money here and doing things like that. I mean, that's like a sport to me. So, you know, I enjoy it. That's why I'm pretty much a crypto head. I mean, I know it's a lot of crypto heads out there, but guys, this thing right here, I think that we have the opportunity to make some serious money with this platform, depending on what you want to do with it. Okay. So let's dive right on into it. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can, you make money with this platform. And if you're interested, the link going to be in the link description below. But this is how this thing's going to work. Now, after you get your MetaMask wallet, if you don't already have one, get your MetaMask wallet, get you some ETH, and then throw it over here in your MetaMask wallet. And then what's going to happen is that once you come over here and you click the link, it's going to automatically put you into the back office. And don't start panicking or whatever if you don't see any numbers or whatever, because you have to be signed into your MetaMask wallet in order to get on here, because your MetaMask wallet is going to be linked to the actual smart contract. All right. Now, smart contracts, like I said before, they cannot run. Once this in there, it's in there, it's set. There's nothing nobody can do. If anything was to happen, you can go in and you can go get your ETH out at any time you want to. All right. But how this thing works, it is very, very, very unique. I've never seen anything like this. So this is new to me. So like I said, I just literally got into this platform, and I'm bringing it to you guys, because I'm excited. And if you don't hear it in my voice, then something's wrong. So in this contract right now, in this smart contract, it is 156 ETH in here. 1,056 ETH in here, worth $191,000. Okay, guys. Now, when I seen the video on this yesterday, it was only like 400 ETH in the platform. When I seen the video just yesterday, okay, it was 400 in here. Now it's already at 1,000. Oh yeah, I should have been in yesterday, but it is what it is. You got to do your research. You got to do your own due diligence. That's what I did before I made sure this is something that I wanted to bring to you guys and you girls out there, so you can see it and see what's going on. But this is how this thing works. Now, once you buy into the actual contract, okay, you will be buying these IND tokens. All right. Now, before you start, oh, I don't want to get no tokens. Why am I getting involved in anything with some tokens? Now, every time somebody puts in ETH into the platform, that's when these tokens are created. All right. So once you put ETH in the platform, then that's and only when these tokens are created. All right. Now, once you make a deposit to the platform, they're going to take 10%. They're going to take 10% of whatever you deposited, and that's going to go into the smart contract plus the funds that you put in, of course. Now, what you're going to be able to do with these tokens is just sit on them. That's all you got to do is just sit on them, because right now these tokens are at 86 cents right now. Okay, they're at 86 cents. So when you sell them, they're going to be at 71 cents because that's the 10%. Okay, so they're going to take their 10% once you sell them. So when you come into the platform, they're going to take 10%. Once you sell your tokens, they're going to take 10%. That's how that works. Okay, so it's a win-win situation for everybody. So that's going to keep feeding the smart contract, the DApp, whatever you want to call it. It's going to keep feeding it and feeding it and feeding it. So the more people that start coming in this thing, the more ETH's going to be up here, the more tokens are going to be produced, and the more money we all are going to make as a whole. But you're going to have, people are going to, take their profits or whatever, and they're going to go. But who cares? If they get out of the project and they say they're done, then they're done. They still 10% of whatever they pull out is going to go back in the contract. All right. Now this thing can go crazy. This thing can go crazy because just think about it. The price of the token right now is 86 cents. So we know that this price is going to go up. We know that. We know that because the amount of ETH that's going to be pouring into this platform is going to drive this price up. So I'm just saying hypothetically, what if this price goes to, $2, $3 for a token? Okay, you can sell out at that point. You can sell out at that point, and then you can take your profits and then roll on and do whatever it is that you need to do. Or you can just leave your initial in and just start taking a small little profit or whatever you want to do on a daily basis. Okay. Not only that you can pull your money out of this platform whenever you want to, you can pull this money out whenever you want to. Whenever you say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and pull out. You can pull out and nobody can stop you. You can pull your money out whenever you want to. All right, you sell your tokens will be automatically transferred to ETH, which is down here. You put your address in, and then it's gonna automatically switch over for you. You transfer your tokens over to ETH, and it gives you all the value over here. You have your ETH, your estimated value of the token right here, and then you have your dividends. Okay, so your dividends, you're going to be getting paid out. I don't know if it's hourly. I don't know if it's daily, but you're going to be getting dividends on the amount of tokens that you hold. The longer you hold, the more you're going to be making on your divs. Okay, you're going to be making more money the longer you hold. And of course, this price is going to go up. So not only are you going to be making money when people put ETH in the platform, you're going to be making money when they pull it out. That's two ways that you're going to be making money with the platform. Not considering if you want to start sharing your link around and and getting people interested in talking about the business, and you bring people in, then you're gonna get you're gonna get your referral dividends, which you can which you can take and reinvest or pull out or whatever it is that you want to do. All right. And then on top of that, they're coming out with exchange that's going to have peer to peer, which means that once that exchange drops and they're doing it in the background, and when that thing comes out, we're not only are we going to be getting deals from this, we're going to be getting deals from the damn exchange itself. So there's the earning potential with this platform is going to be stupid. I seen it. I said I'm in. That's it. I mean, I'm done. I'm like, hey, you know what? Hey, I'm jumping in this thing. So regardless, however, if you want to take a look at it, then come take a look at it. I know my balance ain't nothing right now. I got $18 in there. Whoop-de-doo, but as soon as I get off of this video, you already know, how we get down in crypto. You know how we get down. So there's this little platform that I'm in as well called L7. I've done several videos on this. You want to come check it out, you can definitely come check this out too. But I have a small little balance over here. I think it's like $500. So what do you think I'm gonna do with that? I'm gonna take this out, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it off video, of course, and then I'm gonna transfer it over to my wallet and turn it into ETH, and then I'm gonna put ETH right over here in my MetaMask wallet, and then I'm gonna put it right in the contract, and then I'm gonna get the ball rolling. So you can come in with whatever you want to come in with. That's up to you. I mean, you might not even want to deal with the platform altogether, but that's on you. But that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna do a real just quick little run through of L7. This is something that you can also do in the background to earn you some more cryptos, so that way you can feed feed the other platform, and keep that ball rolling, because the ideal is turn small stacks into big stacks, and then you grow from there. And then the more you make, the more you'll be risk free. So that way you can start putting bigger amounts in platforms and making your money a lot faster. That's the name of the game, guys. That's how this thing works. But L7, very simple. I'm gonna just give you brief run through real quick. I don't want to make this video too long, but they have all these several different cryptocurrencies that you can put into the platform. They have, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, ETH, Dash, XRP, Bitcoin Gold, all of that. I don't deal with none of that. The only thing that I really deal with is Bitcoin, of course. But you can come in whatever you want. I mean, I know there's a lot of people out there that just has, XRP just sitting on the wallet, just waiting on the price to go up. So, they're hodling. I mean, okay, I get it, you're hodling. That's cool. There's nothing wrong with hodling. I mean, that's you. But it's sitting there not doing nothing for you. So you can have a chance, an opportunity to come to L7 and start trading it to multiply your XRP, or multiply your Litecoin, or your ETH, or your Dash, or whatever it is that you have that you're holding on to. So that gives you that opportunity to do that as well. And then, of course, you can take some of your profits from there, turn it into ETH, and then go right on here to Grand Gio. Go right over there, drop some more ETH in there, and build that thing up. Now you got income coming from here, and you got income coming from Grand Gio. However it is that you want to do it, you can play it. Doesn't matter. That's what I'm doing. But, it's up to you. But very simple to use. I got this balance right here. All you have to do is a little arrow. You click that arrow right there. Top bid, 10,461. Top bid is going to always be over here on the left-hand side. So you come down, boom, right here. You click on it. 10,461. Low and ask price is 9,873. You're going to come down here, find it, went too far, boom, click that check, and then bam, that's it. That's all you have to do. This is arbitraging. All they do is they take your Bitcoin, they put it on an exchange, they buy it, they buy it for cheap, and then they sell it for a higher price, and then you get the percentage in the middle. Okay, so if you want to get more information on that, you can just come over here and check and see what is running right now. So Bitcoin This is the minimum right now that they got going on, so it's 0.39. And then if you have a Bitcoin or more in there, then it's going to be about 1.5%, something in that range. So these are the difference what they're paying out. Like Litecoin right now is paying out 0.67, but it's going to vary per trade. Okay, guys. So that's how this pretty much work. You're not going to guarantee to get a 1% or 2% every time. It's arbitrage, so you still be able to make a little bit of crypto if that's what you want to do. Plain and simple, very easy to do. That's it. That's how I go. That's what I'm in. Of course, I'm in several other platforms, but these are the two that I'm talking about right now. But guys, I'm telling you, you need to come over here and check out Grand Gio. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this right here can be very, 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 very powerful. If you come in, don't kick the tires, get in this thing. All right, guys, it's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income. I'll see you guys in the next video.